Hey, this is Diabetic Game Guy. Yesterday, I watched an amazing tutorial by my friend Theo Ramwell where he converted one of his YouTube videos to a blog article in only a few clicks using Koala AI. I've included a link to Theo's tutorial if you'd like to check it out. I don't have access to that tool, but I thought it would be fun to see if I could convert a YouTube video to a blog article with the tools I have. In the end, it did take me longer, but I was able to create a blog post for only 9 cents. For the rest of this video, I'll walk you through the exact process. Demonstration, I'm going to use the same article as Theo did. I may need to move my camera. After you find the video, you'll want to click the 3 dots underneath the player, and then click Show Transcript. And then this is very important. By default, it comes up with the timestamps and the text. You need to come over here and click the 3 dots where it says Transcript and toggle timestamps. This will allow you to get all the text without the timer, which we'll need for the next part. So to get the transcripts, you want to click on the first line and then scroll all the way down to the bottom and press Shift and click. Now head over to ChatGPT. This works with either ChatGPT 3 or ChatGPT 4. I have ChatGPT Premium, so I'm going to use GPT version 4, but I have tested this with GPT 3 and it does work. Took me a little time, but I eventually settled on this prompt. I am writing a blog post for a website about gaming in World of Warcraft. I have the transcript of a video that I would like to convert to a blog post. Can you please take the video transcript and create a list of headers for the blog post? I'd also like you to create a list of important terms that I should include in this blog post. Then I simply paste in the transcript we got from YouTube and press enter, and we're done. Here's the output from ChatGPT. Now we head over to the custom article workflow. I've created a full tutorial on this tool yesterday, but I got a couple questions, and to get to the custom workflow from the URL, you'll need to click this link in the upper right hand corner. That'll take you to the same screen that I'm on. I'm going to start by pasting in the title of the video, and next I'm going to paste in the headers we got from ChatGPT, and finally I'm going to put in the important terms. As always, I prefer a conversational style, and we'll just use medium for article length. And we just click create article. Like yesterday, this will take about 11.5 minutes, but I'll just cut the video until we finish. It's done. Let's look at the article. I'm not going to actually post this article anywhere because it is Theo's work. This article came in at 5,069 words. We definitely have room to cut some words as we're doing the editing. So that's the whole process. The article had a Page Optimizer Pro score of 60.9 with 0 editing on my part, and it fully passed Copyscape. Once again, I'd like to thank Theo Ramwell for giving me the idea for this video. His approach is faster, and if you go with Koala Writer, I hope you use his affiliate link. If you have any questions, comments, or ideas, I'd love to hear them. And as always, thanks for watching.